Hi and welcome. In this video I'll show you how you can change your folder icon from this blue standard look to an image of your choice. To do this we'll need to use an image which ends in PNG, that's for format, but I'll show you now how you can get one quickly and easily. So I'll do a search for an image and I am going to search for a Ferrari. You can of course search for whatever you like. I'll just say agree. And I'll now go to images and I'll select one I want to use. Let's say this one here. So I'll drag this to my desktop and you can see it's ending in JPEG. This isn't the format we want, and also we want to have a clear background. So let's go to a website which can remove the background, and this website is called remove.bg. What I can do now is drag this image to this website, and within a second it removes the background. I can click download and I now have the image without the background. What I'll do next is just make sure this window is selected, do a Command C on the keyboard. I'll go across to the folder I wish to change, this one here, right click on it, go to Get Info, then go to the top left here where you can see this blue icon, click it, you'll see it's just selected, then do a Command V on the keyboard. And as you can see it changes it here. I'll close that and the folder is now the Ferrari. This is the original image, I'll get that out of the way. So that is now the new folder look. I think it looks pretty cool. Now if you change your mind and you want to remove it, just go back to Get Info. So right click on your folder, go to Get Info, come up to the top where you changed it and just press backspace on the keyboard. And as you can see, it's returned to its natural state. Let me know in the comments what you're going to change your folders to. Be really interested to hear. Thanks very much for choosing my video and I wish you a great day ahead.